Today, I'm counting down the top 5 dependable used cars you can realistically find in 2025 that won't let you down. Whether for daily commuting, student driving, or just a budget-friendly ride. Number 1. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic is a classic pick, and for good reason. According to Kelley Blue Book, you can find 2012 Civics within this price range. That generation of Civic is known for its fuel efficiency, strong engine, and longevity. These cars are easy to maintain, parts are widely available, and they have proven their reliability over decades. If you stick with non-side trims, you're more likely to find options under $8,000 with decent mileage that will serve you for years. Number 2. Toyota Corolla. Next up is the Toyota Corolla, which probably ranks among the most dependable cars ever made. The Corolla's 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine is simple, efficient, and durable. It handles daily driving with ease, gets impressive gas mileage, and is very forgiving when it comes to low-cost maintenance. As long as the car has been cared for, a used Corolla under $8,000 can easily run strong for many more miles. Number 3. Toyota Prius. If you're okay with a hybrid, the Toyota Prius is a phenomenal choice. The 2011 Prius, for example, is frequently listed under $8,000 in the used market. Thanks to Toyota's hybrid synergy drive system, the Prius delivers great fuel economy, and the hybrid system is surprisingly robust, provided the battery is in good shape. Maintenance costs can be a little higher, but you make that back pretty quickly with savings on fuel. Plus, many Priuses are built to last over 200,000 miles. The Mazda 3 is one of the most fun-to-drive compact cars, and older models are very reliable. Kelley Blue Book even lists a 2013 Mazda 3 in its top used cars under $8,000. The Mazda 3 balances sportiness with practicality. It's nimble, efficient, and doesn't demand a premium for maintenance. On top of that, it has a good reputation for long-term durability, especially when previous owners followed regular service intervals. 5. Hyundai Elantra. Last but not least, the Hyundai Elantra. According to listings like those on 306 Deal Auto Sales, you can find 2011 to 2014 Elantras for under $8,000. These Elantras offer a smooth ride, comfortable interior, and decent fuel efficiency. Over the years, Hyundai has significantly improved its reliability, and the Elantra proves that parts are generally affordable, and the car is well suited for everyday driving. It's a strong contender if you want a dependable sedan without paying a premium. Tips for buying under $8,000. Here are a few practical tips when buying a used car at this price point. Get a pre-purchase inspection. Check for service records. Consider total ownership cost. Be flexible on year and mileage. Use reputable sources. So there you have it. My top 5 most reliable used cars under $8,000 as of 2025. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Subscribe for more car automation and car buying content.